Can you shine brighter than this? No. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So it's been pretty long that I posted. So yeah, welcome back. I know आप लोगों को भी इस वीडियो में कुछ तो plain minimal लग रहा है, which is my lip. Because today I'm here to try out the new lip oils from Blur and I am so excited for this. I have my wipes over here because I'm gonna try every single shade. So you guys watch it till the end if you want the honest review for those lip oils. Let's go. We have the box over here. Okay guys. Now the best part is these very cute stickers. I'm gonna put these on my lip oils right in front of you. Let's go. Can you just look how cute they look? I mean, these are so cute. Can you look at this? Nobody else except then Blur could have came up with this such a unique idea of decorating. Means हम लड़कियों को कितना ज़्यादा पसंद होता है हमारी चीज़ों को aesthetic बनाना and cute बनाना. And I think do not touch my lip oil. Now let me decorate all of these and come back to you. Like if you're a girl who is like me and who likes cute stuff, guys, go and get them as soon as possible. And now I think it's time we try and test them. Let's go. We are starting off with this honey gold shade. Whew. Do you all want to have a look at the texture? Can you all see the instant glow? Like मैंने lipstick भी नहीं लगाया था. And as far as I remember, I didn't even put a lip balm. Can you all see this? Now we are trying the strawberry pink. Have a look at this, guys. Can you see how pigmented this one is? Me and this lip oil are a match made in heaven because we have instantly wiped. I mean, I don't even need a lipstick. I just need this in my purse. I'm so in love with this shade. Like, wiped it off and now it's time we try this very unique grape purple because I swear I don't know which kind of shade it's going to give me, but how can a lip oil be purple? This is really purple, guys. It's exactly that black currant. इस point के बाद मैं convince हो चुकी हूँ कि lipstick की क्या need है, guys.
भाई साहब, अब convince हो गए या मैं और बोलूँ?
Let's go. Wiped it off. Now we are trying the caramel brown. Brown is my go-to shade. I mean, I even have Blur's lipstick in brown shade, and I always put them on. Like I'm never without them. And let's see if this lip oil could top my lipstick. The shade that lip oil is giving my lips, and these are my real lips. This one is definitely justifying its name, which is caramel brown, because look at this. It's giving very hot girl vibes, and I think it would look more good if I apply my Call Me Daddy lipstick with this. I think it's gonna add a chef's kiss. Wipe it off. Now we are trying the last shade, which is watermelon light pink. Let's go. I think this is the shade that I'm gonna prefer if I'm just going for a little bit of outing and I want some chill vibes. I just want to look minimal. This is the one. Done with the testing process. I would love to know what are your picks in the comment section and do let me know which one suited me the best. If you all are looking for a budget friendly lip oils, this should be your choice because these are just of ₹499 and इससे ज़्यादा अच्छी deal तो कहीं नहीं मिल सकती है. And if you want some off, you can use my code which is Purti10 to get 10% off on your total purchase. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and do let me know what videos do you want to see on my channel next. Or if there's any other product that you want me to review, go ahead and put them in the comment section. I'll put the link of all the lip oils and even my coupon code in the description box. So don't forget to check it out and don't forget to go grab yours. Okay, bye. I love you.